Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and plan with me today. Today I have a personal size vertical for the week of February the 15th through the 21st. And if you're not new here, welcome back and thank you for your continued support. Today I am using, wrong box, sorry. I'm using the Colorful Shapes and Watercolor. So those are the two boxes that I pulled from, and I did do a pre-pull, little quick sneak peek. And let's get going on this. I tell you, I did some pre-planning on this, and it was quite a little bit of time to get everything set up. This was a little more challenging than I thought it was going to be. I wasn't planning on it being challenging, but I got fooled. All right. Hope your week is going good. Mine's going pretty fair. Not fast enough, but you know, this is going to be just a smidge. And what I did here is I took a regular size sticker out of the box, and I cut it to this size, okay? Because these little boxes are so tiny, and I just like decorating them sort of like I do like a regular classic size. So I just wanted it to be sort of, you know, like a box filled in there, and I'm sort of putting this over the entire Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right. And then I'm going to, let me see, I'm going to make sure I put this stuff in the right spot. And sometimes when you move your stuff around, you lose your place. Was that there? Yeah. I think it was right here. And this is just another box. That was a full-size box for a classic. And I took what was left of the scrap, and I put it here to make a little header, which I think is going to be super cute, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little circles and just put my little quotes like that in there and just make a little layering. And I think that's really super cute. So I'm just going to put this here to give it some more kapow. Alrighty. And then I just love this coloring. So I just think it's really pretty. So then I'm going to put me a to-do up here. I didn't do florals on this one. And, you know, everybody pretty much and his brother is accenting with some florals. I have a floral, but I made the floral myself. So I hope you all like the take that I have on this. I think it's a super cute little idea. I don't know if you will, but I just thought it was cute. So you'll be seeing it here in just a minute. I'm using my tweezers here. And I know that's a little short, but with it being white, I didn't think it was real super obvious. So, I think I seen it and I thought, you know, that would be a really cute little way to put a floral in your spread. So I did it, and I just want to see what y'all think of it. So be sure that you leave me a comment in the description box below and let me know what you think of it after you watch the video, because I really do. I thought, that's sort of quirky, but that's sort of cute. So, okay. I hope your week's going good. I've been watching lots of videos and trying to I've been watching, I watch, and I'm part of the TubeBuddy and the Think Media, Sean Cannell. He is super knowledgeable, and his crew is too, on growing your channel. And I've really just been trying to, you know, step up my game just a little bit and try to increase my content value and stuff like that. So, you know, I want to make, well, I might get this box in here. I want to make good content for my viewers, and I think he's super knowledgeable, and he started like everybody else with El Zippo, and I just think he has a lot of knowledge there to offer. On the 15th, I have a doctor's appointment, which they told me was 2:45, but then I looked on the actual reminder, and it actually says, I'm going to trim this. This is just a little bit big. 8:30, so that's going to be a hot mess. But, you know, when you're a nurse, it's sort of hard to just jump up and take off time, because, you know, we're sort of short-staffed right now, and it just makes it a bit challenging. All right, now, on this, I'm going to put this here. I still have tons of white space. So that's the thing on that. Don't feel like, you know, there's not white space, because, you know, there's plenty of white space to write down what I need to write down. And where was I going to put this one? I think I was going to put it right here. I think I'm going to move, let me get my knife, this elsewhere, because I don't like how that's right up against that. This, I think it makes it look a little bit too busy. So let's see where we've got a space that would be more efficient. I could put it like right in here. I think that's sort of cute. And then I could use this space. Alrighty, now here's all right, just bear with me. Now this is supposed to be, and I may actually round off the corners. This is supposed to be a vase or a vase or whatever you want to call it. And I just think that this is going to be so cute. All right. So I'm going to put this like right here. And what I'm going to do, I hope that I can get these right where I'm going to make a little bouquet of flowers out of these asterisks. I might have to do some rearranging, because it took me forever to have them on here and have them look halfway cute. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to, you know, do that again as efficiently, because you don't want it to look all wonky. So, and I know like that's going to get cut off, but I want it to look realistic. And I'm trying to position these to where they're sort of fitting together. There we go. I think this is just, I just love it. I just think it's different and inventive, using your imagination a little bit, per se. Down there. And I thought you guys would like it, because I thought it was different. And you know my motto, out of the box. I like stuff to be not like everybody else's stuff. And I thought this was a good play on things that I don't really use like stuff like this a whole lot. And I'm sure a lot of you can totally get where I'm coming from with that. Got some kind of, there we go. There we go. And, you know, I want to use my stuff. I don't want to be a hoarder of stickers. And I want to use my stuff and make stuff look cute. And I just thought, you know, this was a great use of, that's too close to that one. A great use of these little asterisks. And I just thought they would be cute. How many times have I said cute? Really? I apologize. Sometimes I play these videos back and I'm like, what were you thinking? Of course, you are probably thinking, what were you thinking too? Okay. Is that not the cutest thing? I just think that's so cute. And this weekend, as far as I know, I don't have anything to do for anybody but moi. So guess what I'm going to do? I am going to do a binge watch. All right, let's do some trimming. And it's not a lot, just this little edge here. That come off there? Yeah. Okay. So, I think that is so cute. All right, this is my personal planner, Happy Planner, personal size, Plan With Me for the week of February the 15th through the 21st. Again, I'm using boxes, where do they go? Colorful Shapes and watercolor. These actually did come from the Happy Planner website, which I will link below in my description box with an explanation of what today's video was and yada yada, and all of my links to all of my social media, which I'm at Donna Smith Wilson on all my social medias. So if you want to get social and get to know me and see my content, just give me a shout on there. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, I hope you consider giving me a thumbs up. And it really does help out my channel when you do give me thumbs up. And when you comment, it really helps the growth of my channel. And consider subscribing, because, you know, that helps me grow as well, obviously. And stick around. I hope that you will enjoy some of my other content. I have a lot of out-of-the-box videos with no types of stickers. I do a lot of scrapbook paper with my spreads and different things like that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.